Now this is too close to our home. Way too close to our home. Don't know if it's because of fireworks, but our dry golf course. Yep. Way too close to the properties. But our dried out golf course. Don't know if it was intentionally started. Don't know if it's fireworks. But way too close to comfort in our homes. Way too close. Fire trucks have been notified, they're here, but
right now it's not that bad. It like caught like the edge, like the ring of the green on fire. So like I forgot what hole this is. It's like the 9th hole down the glass house. It's like one of the green on fire.
this is right in the backyards of a golf course that isn't up and running. It's all dead weeds, dead brush. Yep. Way too close. We got the fire department here, Terry. I'm not good at doing live video and texting, but we've got the fire department out here already. We just need to get our HOA to get this crap corrected. But then again, it's probably things from the fireworks. I don't even know how to text while I'm shooting live. It's within walking distance from our house, but yep, this is what happens with fireworks and dry brush. Yeah, I hear you, Terry. I just can't believe our idiot neighborhood. They know that there's a dry golf course behind their property, and then they're lighting off all the sparklers and fireworks. But that's just the 4th of July. Me and Angie was just coming in, and we saw the fire coming in through the main gate. But the fire department's here now. Yep. I want to salvage the video so I can show our HOA thing about. Yep, something's got to be done about this. Either come here and plow over it, or the city plow all this brush over, or whatever, make it all dirt. I can't even see where I'm walking now. But okay, I'm shutting down, guys. Since I don't know how to text back to you.